Today I'm going to show you how to work with Wavin schedules. Every Wavin package contains at least 2 schedules, one for the pipe fittings and another for every pipe type in the project. Wavin's AS package has 3 schedules because it has 2 pipe types. Wavin produced these schedules to provide a comprehensive and easy-to-use bill of materials for your projects. However, experienced users may wish to alter some of the features, add new columns, or change the sorting. You can also modify the schedules to suit separation of systems into different parts. To access the schedule, find it in the project browser and double-click on it. To add a new column, go to Fields and select a new column from the list on the left. I will add comments. You can change the order of the columns using the list on the right. Sorting of the data can also be changed. Go into Sorting/Grouping. Here you can sort the data by up to 4 data columns. If you wish to sort it by the description, then the main diameter. All you have to do is change the catalog code into connection diameter. If you wish to quickly label some part of the project, just select the pipes and the fittings and type in the comment, for example, apartment 1. Now go to the schedule of the fittings and into Sorting/Grouping again. Now change the connection diameter to comments. As you can see, the fittings with comments are clearly visible in the schedule. To get a full list of articles, you have to repeat the steps for the pipe schedule. The unnecessary columns can easily be hidden by right-clicking on top of the column and selecting Hide Columns. The columns hidden this way can be brought back by selecting Unhide All Columns. Thank you for watching. Make sure you watch the rest of the Wavin tips and tricks videos.